My project is about using systems of linear equations to solve real-world problems. My problem was, at Target, the price of one loaf of whole wheat bread is $3. The price of Welch's grape jelly jam is around $2. Sally goes to Target with $20 in hand. She needs to buy 8 items in total in order to have sufficient breakfast for the next 2 weeks. How many loaves of bread and bottles of jam can she buy? In order to solve this problem, we must first set up a system of linear equations. Here we have 3b plus 2j equals 20 and b plus j equals 8. b is equal to the loaves of bread and j is equal to bottles of jam. The first way we will solve this problem is by using a graph. We can graph the two equations and find the intersection point to get our answer. Here we have graphed our system of linear equations and we will use the intersection point to get our answer. Our intersection point is 4, 4, which means that 4 loaves of bread and 4 bottles of jam will satisfy Sally's requirements. The second way we will solve this problem is algebraically using substitution. Now we will solve the system of equations using substitution. First, we have solved the second equation for b to get 8 minus j. Now we will plug this in to the first equation and simplify 3 times 8 minus j plus 2j equals 20 to get the value j equals 4, which means she will buy 4 bottles of jam. We can then substitute this into our solved equation b equals 8 minus j to get b equals 4, which means she will buy 4 loaves of bread and 4 bottles of jam. The third way we will solve this problem is by using a matrix. Here I have set up a matrix that corresponds to the coefficients and numerical values in the system of equations. I have then simplified this matrix to reduced row echelon form through a set of row operations as shown to get b equals 4 and j equals 4. A matrix is in reduced row echelon form when the leading entry in each row is 1 and is the only non-zero entry in its column. Each leading entry is in a column to the right of the previous row's leading entry, and rows with all 0 elements are below rows having a non-zero element. In order to simplify the matrix, I first multiplied row 1 by 1 over 3. Next, I multiplied row 1 by negative 1 and added it to row 2. Then I multiplied negative 2 over 3 by row 2 and added it to row 1 to get the final matrix in reduced row echelon form. Now this reduced matrix will give us the values for b and j, which are both 4. This means that Sally can buy 4 loaves of bread and 4 bottles of jam to satisfy her requirements. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoy this video.